Welcome to the LRA Crisis Tracker. This site was created to collect and publish data on the Lord's Resistance Army, or LRA, a terrorist organization in Central Africa responsible for the continent's longest-running armed conflict. Our hope is that by accurately documenting and sharing the LRA's crimes, that this conflict no longer stays invisible. Data for this site is collected through NGOs, regional actors, and daily security broadcasts from communities linked into Invisible Children's early warning radio network. This network gives the most remote communities in the world the ability to communicate LRA atrocities in near real time on this site. The map on the site allows you to visualize these up-to-date LRA incidents by type and display the data via heat or plotted points. Toggle the timeline to see the LRA's campaign and movement over time. Each bar on the timeline represents 1 week, and the height of the bar corresponds to the amount of LRA activity. Bars that appear red indicate that they contain an incident with embedded media, giving a personal look at the situation on the ground. Print or save your research on the map and share it with your network. Below the map, there's a real-time feed with the most recent news. You can sign up via Twitter to receive this information on a daily basis. And for the individual interested in reading an analysis on the situation, you can download our bi-weekly and quarterly reports on the LRA's activities. Be sure to get the LRA Crisis Tracker iPhone and iPad app so you can stay up to date on the latest information on the go. We hope you join us in the struggle to stop the LRA and protect their innocent victims.